So what you can also do is you can go ahead and utilize the filter bar right here to filter out the photos according to their different properties. So if you don't see the filter bar right here, you can simply go around onto the view menu and then show the filter bar. So I just clicked over here so you can see that it actually disable the filter bar, but if I were to enable it, then you'll be able to see this. So you can see that I can go ahead and set the filter by text. For example, I can set it out by file name and contains, and let's say for example type in something that the file has. Let's say for example I'm going to press S right here, just like this, and only the files with the letter S in it will actually come up right here, just like this, as you were to do this. Apart from that, you can also go around over here onto the attribute part right here, just like this, and over here what you can do is you can go ahead right here and then filter it out by attribute. Apart from that, you can also filter it out by metadata information. Like for example, you can set it out by camera and then filter it out by labels right here, just like this as well. So you can go ahead and disable the attribute, and then you can see that you can filter it out by camera right here, just like this, and you can also go ahead and then select out according to how you want right here. You can also go ahead and none, and that is what you have. So you can see that you can actually turn on the filters from over here as well according to the exposure info. You can go around onto flag right here, just like this, and go for ratings right here, just like this as well, and even go for location columns, as you can see right here. So you can filter it out according to different categories as you like inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.